Oh, dancing, dancing, yes. It's so good, baby. Yes, you have to dance to feel yourself. But wait a second. Whoosh! Oh, yuck. The eyebrow is not pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, yuck. Oh, no, 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 no. I can't get the boyfriend like that. I need this. Yes. Oh, I find my pants. Okay. I brush, 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 brush. Before I use the pants, you have to brush it up so you know what you need to work with. Okay. Show me what you're working with. Yes, the pants, which is the tweezer, and I use the spoolie and the scissor to make it clean. Okay, you have to take 2 fingers, 1, 2, you put on your skin, you lift with your finger so you can get to the root of the hair. Pull, whoosh, do that, whoosh, pull, whoosh, ay, ay, ay. It's hurt, but it's okay. It's the pain. The beauty is pain. I take the other hand. You see the root of the hair because it's take from deep inside. Drink the water, stay hydrated because this is a very difficult process. You suffer a lot, but you know. That's what we do, the women. We do that. We do the suffering so we can be beautiful. Why we do that, eh? I don't understand. The boys don't do that. The boy is not do that. He's not suffer like we suffer. Eh? Like, why we do that to ourselves? We rush it. I cry. Look at that. I cry. It's difficult. It's so hard. It's so hard on me. Oh, yeah. But I continue. You know why? Because I'm the strong woman. I stop shaking and I continue. Because I'm strong. I breathe. Yes. So I like that one, the Wet and Wild, but it's finished. So I find another one because this one today is decide to finish. I take the eyeliner. The eyeliner is very good. I take that one, I sharpen it, and I start with the beginning at the front. Always at the front, ladies, because we are number one. We start at the front. And then we go to the back. Slowly make the line, the straight line, okay? You have to know how to draw. Do you know how to draw? You have to know how to draw. Okay, practice on the paper before you do that on your face so you don't look like grimace. You don't look like dummy, okay? Essuyer, you have to wipe a little bit if you went too far, and you fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks like in your exam in school, okay? Fill in the blanks like your life. You do yourself. You fill in the blanks in your life. You don't wait for the men to fill in your blanks. Okay, you do that yourself. You fill yourself and you brush it up to mix the product in your eyebrow so we don't see the line. It's perfect. Oh, one is good. Now we have to do the other one. Same process. Brush. Straight line. Make it straight line. Beautiful. Okay. You don't press too hard on the pencil so that it's not too dark. Okay. You want to make it natural. So you continue. You wipe if you make the mistake with your finger. Okay. So your finger is your best friend. And you continue filling the blanks, okay? Hide all the holes in your life, the holes in your eyebrow, the holes in your soul. You hide all the mistake, okay? Cache péché, hide the sin, hide everything that you don't want the people to see, okay? We do perfection over here. Perfection. Wash to make everything blend. Like that one. Make the hair go in the right position. The front is go up, the end of the eyebrow is go down. Come on, you have to follow the rhythm, follow the natural shape of your brow, like that one. Front is up and the rest is down. Okay, so you fill in the blanks at the front too. Make no mistake, leave no hole unfilled. Find all the holes in your life and fill in the blanks. Yes, okay? You wipe again all the mistake because nobody needs to see the mistake. Perfection, look at that. Beautiful. Hi. Oh, with the makeups. Oh, yeah. Pretty. Today I get the husband. Oh, yes. Today I get the husband. Hi. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.